For part B of problem 2, we're going to take a look at a chase strategy. And in a chase strategy, we vary the workforce level without using overtime or undertime. So all we do is hire and fire, or hire and lay off, as is more politically correct. Recall that we're starting out with 8 workers, and we're going to vary the level according to the demand. So let's see what we need for Q1. We know that each worker can give us 480 hours of work in a quarter. So the workforce needed for this one is going to be equal to the demand divided by 480. And I can just copy that down. And wherever I get a value that is a decimal, I'll just round up. So this one could be, this one will be 9, this one will be 14, this one will be 7, the next one will be 10, 10, and then 13. This one goes to 8, and the last one stays at 10. Okay, so if I start with 8, to get to 9, I'm going to have to hire 1. To get to 14, I'm going to have to hire 5. Then to go back to 7, I've got to lay off 7. Now I'm at 7, I need to go to 10. I need to hire 3 of them back. Then I don't need to do anything here to stay at 10. Then I need to hire 3 more. Then I need to lay off 5 to take me down from 13 to 8, and then I need to hire 2 back. So a lot of ups and downs there. Wow. So total number of times that I hired somebody is going to be equal to the sum of all of these. Oops, nope. All of these. 14 individual hirings, and number of firings was 12. Total size of the workforce in man quarters is equal to the sum of all these. 81 man quarters. So now we can figure out our costs. We're going to have costs associated with regular wages. Hiring and layoffs. Regular wages is going to equal the cost for an employee per quarter, which is $7,200. So 7,200 times the number of man quarters, which we calculated to be 81. So 583,200 would be the expense associated with regular wages. And hiring is going to be equal to the 14 times that we did a hire times the cost of hiring, which is, hiring training is $10,000. 10,000. 140,000. And the layoff costs are going to equal the number of times we laid somebody off, which was 12. 12 times the layoff costs are 4,000. So $48,000 in layoff costs. So total package price, hit auto sum, $771,200 is the price of this particular plan called Chase Strategy. And that's how you do part B.